Hello guys, welcome back to the reaction zone. In today's lesson, we're going to continue with solutions to questions on stoichiometry. And the question that we're going to look at today is as follows. What quantity of copper 2 oxide will react with 2.80 liters of hydrogen at standard temperature and pressure? When you look at this particular question, especially when you look at the chemical equation, you discover that copper 2 oxide is undergoing reduction by hydrogen to give you copper and water. So we'll start by finding the molecular mass of copper 2 oxide, which is 63.5 for copper plus 16 for oxygen, which is going to give us a total of 79.5 grams. And then the number of moles of hydrogen here is 1 mole. And 1 mole of any gas, an STP, has a volume of 22.4 liters. So we can infer from the balanced chemical equation that 22.4 liters of hydrogen will react with 79.5 grams of copper 2 oxide. So, 22.4 liters of hydrogen reacts with 79.5 grams of copper 2 oxide. So, we would say if 2.80 liters of hydrogen reacts with X grams of copper 2 oxide, we cross multiply. So that will be X times 22.4 is going to become equal to 2.80 times 79.5. X will be equal to 2.80 times 79.5 divided by 22.4, and this is going to give us 9.95 grams. So this means that the quantity of copper 2 oxide that will react with 2.80 liters of hydrogen and STP is equal to 9.95 grams. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.